Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing the no makeup look. So if you guys are interested, please continue watching. First of all, I'm moisturizing my face with the Pond's Light Moisturizer. You can use whichever moisturizer suits your skin, but make sure you always moisturize before makeup. No matter what skin type you are, but moisturizer is never an option. You have to do it. Moisturizer helps your makeup not to look cakey. And now I am using L'Oreal Beige Magique Primer and dotting it over the larger pore areas of my skin. What this primer does is it fills the pores and make the skin look more smoother and mattified. And today for the foundation I am taking Maybelline matte+poreless foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. I like to dot the product on the face first and then blend. This way I feel that I can control the application of the product. And it also helps in the even application of the product on all the areas of the face. And for the concealer, I am taking Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sable. And here I am just dotting on the usual areas of my face where I want to highlight. And now for the powder, I am taking MAC Mineralize Foundation Powder in the shade Medium and lightly dusting all over my face. Make sure you remove any creases before setting the under eyes, otherwise it will set the creases. And for the contour, I am taking I Heart Makeup Contour Palette by LA Colors. Now contouring is totally optional for you if you have defined cheekbones, but I don't. So I love to contour my face. Here I am lightly contouring my whole face. And for blush, I am taking this peachy shade from NYX Sweet Cheeks palette and lightly applying on the apples of my cheeks. And from the same palette, I am taking this shiny shade for my highlight. And in case you apply more highlighter by mistake, then you can always rub that with your finger. It will settle into the subtle shine. With the same shade, I am also highlighting my brow bones. And for the eyebrows, I love this pencil by Faces Canada Ultimenpro. This is in the shade tan. And now for the eyeshadows, I am using LA Girl Nudes. And I am taking this shade right here and applying all over my eyelid. Nothing dramatic, nothing else. Now I am taking the lash curler by Vega and curling my lashes. Now for the mascara, I am taking Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. This is so good, you guys. This lengthens the lashes and makes it look lifted. This white pencil is from Wet n Wild and I am using it in my lower waterline. It makes my eyes look more bigger. For the lipstick, I am taking Maybelline Color Sensational range and the shade is called Nude Nuance. And finally, to finish this off and setting all the makeup in place, I am taking PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. This smells so good and the spray is so soft and gentle, it doesn't hit on your face.